All right, so just a real quick little update. Went to the store, Walmart, to pick up my Country Crock butter. And what do I see? Blue Bonnet has plant-based butter. So I am going to try using the Blue Bonnet in my cookies today. So I'll let you all know how it turns out. Let's just turn it over, look at the stats really quick for those of you that are plant-based and looking for different butters. Oopsie. Okay, so it looks like Country Crock has 100 calories, same size, same servings, 80 calories for Blue Bonnet. Country Crock has more fat and more saturated fat, more sodium, more everything. All right, so the differences are not that big of a deal. However, I do know for some people are watching really strict what their intake is. So as it seems, Country Crock is doing better as far as cholesterol, but it still keeps the same as regular butter. And this one has a lower amount than regular dairy butter. So we are going to cook with this today. We will see what it looks like, see how it does. I may mess my recipe up because I'm not sure with the less fat and things like that if it's going to make a difference. So the Country Crock comes in a longer stick and the Blue Bonnet comes in a smaller stick, but they are still both the same size. So we will give you an update later. My opinion about these cookies is that there was no difference in how they tasted, the texture, in using the Blue Bonnet. So I would say go ahead and try the Blue Bonnet in your recipes. For me, it seems like it worked out the same. I'm going to let my daughter Ava give her opinion on whether the cookies are different or if she notices any change.
Hi, I'm going to be trying my mom's cookie and seeing if it tastes different or the same. I don't taste any changes. It just tastes the same.
Tastes the same? Okay.
Same butter.
All right.
Thank you for watching.